Hi friends, welcome to Global Tech Code channel. Actually, for example, YouTube and Google, every websites we can open using mobile and laptop and PC and tablet also. But the layout will be different based on our device, right? So the source code also different? No, only one source code, but the concept is response web design. So in this video, we'll check how to implement responsive web design concept. Okay, like laptop, phone, and tablet, everything. Our website will be looks good in every devices. Okay, there we need a three concept. First one is viewport. Viewport means the area user is viewing in device. Like if you are viewing a screen in mobile, that part is viewport. Okay, for changing the width of screen, we need to use this viewport value in name property. Also, width we need to set based on the device width. Initial scale we need to set 1.0. Whenever you open one application, it will display in one format, right? That is the initial scale for. And grid view. Actually, we can split the screen. It's a 12 column based. Okay, so for 12 columns, we can consider the total amount of width is content percentage. Okay, for by divided by 2, we can consider one column width as 8.33 percentage. Okay, based on this, if we design a screen, it will be suitable for all the devices and it looks good. So, for view. And one more thing is very important to design a responsive web page. That is media query. Media query means if you are going to give a condition for particular size of the device, you need to use this query. Okay, so I'm going to give a maximum with 600 pixel, and inside that I can give a whatever the style I need in that width. Okay. Let's see with real-time example. Here I'm in Sublime Text Editor. I have opened one HTML file and one CSS file. Okay, here I'm going to give a heading for this page. Then I'm going to give a div, class name as a row. Then inside the div, I'm going to give a subheading and sections also. And paragraph. I'm using section. So you can include the content of the paragraph here. Like this, I have included 4 sections with content. I have included for 4 section with content. Then we have to design responsive layout. I have given the base design styles here, and box sizing I have given as border box, and the text and section I have applied. Now one more thing, most important, we have given div class name as a row, right? For that you have to give a width as 100%. Then now we are going to write a media query. For 1200 pixel with about 1200 pixel width, the screen will be displayed like what? We are going to define that inside this query. So I'm just giving body background color as a green. let's see. So above 1200 pixel, it's looking like this. Now I'm going to give a large column class name for 12 columns. Okay, grid view, recording grid view. I have given 12 columns, and I have given style like border and float left alignment, and that width I have told, right. We need to divide 12, so that means 8.33 percentage. So I have given like 8.33, so double, and added I have, so I have split it like this. So if you need any of the size, you can use this column in your section. So I'm going to use this column large in my section. Let's see the result. Yeah, the result looks like this. Okay, it's aligned as a row and based on that width. Okay, like this you can give the size less than 1200 pixel and greater than 1200 pixel, everything. One more thing, in your web page, if you are opened in a device format, it's looking like this, right? So you are not able to see the content. So it must be based on a size, it must be aligned based on a screen size, right? For that you have to use meta name viewport inside the head tag. Let's see. Here now you can able to see the full content, right? Yeah, that's it. This is the responsive web design. Source code will available in the source code link is available in description. If you need, you can refer that. And if you are a new user, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.